What up, guys? Seems like you guys actually liked my last video quite a bit, so I'm gonna make another one. Another paper airplane. Here it is. This one's actually quite simple. Fold this one side down. So that it looks like, less like that. Don't fold it down that far, actually. A little less far. A little more across and forward. A little more like that. Both sides. Should look like that next. Fold that piece down. Put the top piece down a little. Fold that much. Then fold in half. Fold back, not all the way, a little. Same thing on the opposite side. Finished product. This one was actually really short, but I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoy this airplane too. I actually enjoyed it, especially it goes upside down a lot, which is also very awesome. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.